In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in GIMP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any text in your design and give it a stronger, bolder look using the options built right into GIMP. First, select the Text tool. You can find it in the toolbox, usually on the left side of your workspace, and its icon looks like a capital T. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing the T key also activates it. With the Text tool active, you're ready to work directly on your canvas. Next, create or select your text. To add new text, click once on the canvas and start typing. A text box will appear where you clicked. If you already have text, click on that text to enter editing mode. You'll see a cursor inside the text box, and your existing text will be ready to modify without changing the rest of your design. Now, highlight the text you want to make bold. Click and drag across specific words or letters to select only part of the text, or highlight everything if you want the whole line to be bold. Selecting the text tells GIMP exactly which characters to update. Look below the toolbox for the Tool Options panel. These are the settings for the Text tool, and they only show the right controls when the Text tool is active. Here, you'll see the font controls, including the font name and style. Open the font drop-down and choose a bold font style. In GIMP, bold isn't a single universal button. It depends on the font family you're using. Many fonts include a bold variant labeled bold, bold italic, or sometimes black or heavy. Select the option that explicitly says bold to get the intended thicker weight. If your current font doesn't offer a bold version, pick a different font family that includes bold, so your text gains true weight and remains clean and sharp. Apply the font by clicking the bold version in the list. As soon as you do, the highlighted text on your canvas updates to the bold style. If you selected only part of your text, only that portion becomes bold, which is great for emphasizing keywords or headings while keeping the rest of the line in a regular weight. That's it. The selected text is now bold. Remember, the key is to highlight the text first, then choose a font style that includes bold from the tool options. With this simple approach, you'll get crisp, professional-looking emphasis every time.